guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty. I'm here with my mom Kathy, and we made a lingonberry spice soap that we're going to show you how we made it.
Yeah, we apologize for not posting this video earlier because we were really busy with our craft fairs in Christmas time. So we're editing everything right now. And so we're gonna show you how we made the piping, how we did the swirling inside. And if you have any questions, please comment below. We will, we like one of our subscribers and people that watch us ask questions because I love answering that, right, Kelsey?
Right.
And please don't forget to subscribe and to like our video. And another thing, we're gonna do a giveaway pretty soon, so stay tuned. Our goal is to get 1,000 subscribers, so we need your help. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go and do this.
Let's get soaping.
Yeah. Hello everyone, here's Kathy and Kelsey today. We're making a lingonberry soap, and this is our third Christmas soap, right? Because we did a peppermint and we did the cocoa, cinnamon cocoa. So this is our lingonberry one. We got it from the Hygge collection. I think it's pronounced, I'm not sure 100%. And Kelsey, what does it mean?
Hygge means comfort, and basically lifestyle is more relaxed and more to do with homemade stuff and home. And
it comes from Scandinavian countries, not Norwegian, but what is it? Danish and like a northern European countries, right?
Yes, like Denmark.
Yeah. So we're gonna make the lingonberry one today, okay? All right, and it smells really beautiful. It smells just like the jam. If you ever tried lingonberry jam? Have you ever tried lingonberry jam? No. Have you?
I've tried lingonberry jam, and I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's delicious. So we're gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna make the base right now, and it's gonna be, the base is gonna be white, and it's gonna have actually not just white, but it's gonna be white, and I'm gonna have a little bit of green in the middle. I'll show you guys what I'm going to do, a weird design that's just came up in my head, and I'm going to try to do it. And I'll show you. It's really hard to explain, but when I just show it to you. And the base, like, you know, the bottom, I want to do a kind of like a reddish berry color. Then it's going to be white, and in the middle it's going to have green, kind of really pale green swirls. Okay, so let's go and do this right now. I'm going to blend my oils that I usually have in here: almond oil, coconut oil, castor oil, palm oil, and olive oil. So we're gonna mix it up right now, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I'm gonna use some titanium dioxide because apparently this fragrance oil discolors to tan, so we want it to be a little whiter than tan. I'm gonna just mix it up a little bit. Not too much because it's already kind of thickening. Alright, and then I'm gonna divide it in a couple different containers. Alright, and we're gonna put some red in one container and a little bit of green, not a lot of green, just a little bit of green in the other one. Alright, so let me do that. Red mica, brick red oxide, and another one, and coral mica. And gives it this really beautiful, rich, like pinkishy red. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna use that one and a little bit for this. The green, and the green's gonna be in the middle. And like I said, I'm gonna show you guys. It's better to show than to explain. Okay. And the green is a combination of green oxide and the Kelly green mica. Both of them are from Brambleberry. And I'm not going to use the blender for this. I'm just going to do it by hand. Because I want it kind of a pale green. I don't want it too green. I like more like a pastel color. Okay, so I'm going to put my Lingonberry fragrance oil now in all of them. And I'm going to mix it up, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, we're back, and I'm going to make the little bottom over here, like I said before, it's going to be this color. It's going to be a berry color underneath. Alrighty. So really nice. Okay. And then I'm going to put the white, and the white, I'm going to let it stay a little bit to see if this solidifies a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to put this in there. I don't care if it mixes up with the other one. I just don't want it to mix up too much. So that's why I'm doing this. Put this long kind of needle thing, pipette that I put together, and I'm going to put it in there, and I'm going to squeeze it all the way inside to get some kind of design inside. I don't know if it's going to work. I just want to try something different today. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Okay, so that's it. And I'm going to pipe on top a little bit of lingonberry on top later. And we're going to be done. So we're going to make I'm going to go in ahead and make the frosting so you guys can see it, how I pipe it, and then it's going to be done. Alright, see you in a couple seconds.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to pipe the little berries on this. Little round berries. Alright, so I'm just piping a little bit of leaves over here now. But my my piping mixture here is a little runny today. So I gotta deal with that. I'm gonna move it a little bit around here so it's gonna be more comfortable for me to do that. That's it. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of mica, like a little bit of dusty sparkle mica on top, because you know it's a Christmas soap. And then I'm gonna spritz it with a little bit of alcohol, 90% alcohol. All right, so I'll be back with that. And there we are, everybody. We're cutting this beautiful loaf tonight, and this is our Lingonberry soap, and that's what it looks like up close. I don't know why my light here seems to be really strong today, but I don't think it is that strong. I don't think it was, but I don't know why in the camera it doesn't look like it looks in person here. It's very bright in the camera. It's actually a really nice green there, green with a lot of sparkle on it. Okay, hi everyone. I'm back, and like I showed you the loaf before, now I'm gonna cut it. I cut it the first slice over here, and look how cool that is. So I'm gonna cut the first one. And remember what I did? I put those injections in there. And I think they came out really cool. They look like little flowers coming out of the ground, doesn't it? What do you think else? And look at the back. Isn't this cool? I think that came out really good. And I don't know if anybody else does that, but I didn't see anywhere. I just came up with an idea, but probably I'm not the only one doing that. But I like it, and I'm going to be doing it more like that. Alright, and that's what they look like up close. They're very pretty. I really like the design. Sorry about the shakiness here. Okay, that's what they look up close. They're really beautiful. I love the design. I love it. Like I said before, I'm going to do this again because it looks like flower petals or something coming up from the ground. So I'm planning another soap already for the spring. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye and Merry Christmas!